try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire, put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of
the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, it's the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond, everything is love with it.
Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie. I don't know why I always keep looking to viewfinder, but it's me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to a Nova Beauty tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be on this look. Okay, I incorporated the bronze palette again and also a lip to go with it. Nova Beauty, they have a lot of products, but it's more so on the neutral side for me. However, I love colorful looks, so I had to add some color to this look while incorporating the bronze palette. Also, I did a lip liner and a gloss. I did give an option of a pink gloss, but I wasn't feeling that one, so I went ahead and just added a new lipstick and added this gloss to it. I miss doing cuts. Like, I love how this turned out. Like, really, this is so cute. I had to not put the background lights on because I love how this vibe is giving. So y'all gonna see a difference, a switch difference from now to then. But I just want y'all to get into this tutorial. Check Nova Beauty down in the description right below if y'all haven't purchased from them. I know that y'all gonna like Nova Beauty products, so definitely click the description right below to go shop with them. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, y'all know what to do. Keep on watching. Y'all, so I had to come on camera with my brows done only because it takes up too much memory. So we gonna get this right this time. Okay, I did my brows off camera and I just went ahead and slayed them real quick. Now I'm about to go in with some base, y'all, and I'm about to prime my eyes. I want to do something really pretty, but it's definitely going to be some colors out of the Nova Beauty palette, but I want to add some color to it like I did the last video. But I want to do a cut crease. So y'all, let's get into it. So I am now about to go ahead and take a burgundy shadow, put this all over the lid. Okay, put it all over the lid. Well, we're gonna put it all over the lid. So we're gonna put it all over the lid, right? Because I've seen this look, it was so cute. Alright, y'all, so I went all the way in the front with this, and then I am going to go ahead and take a 506 Morphe brush, and I am going to start packing my second color on, and I'm going to go ahead and take a orange, and then a yellow. The orange I'm going to take is the one out of the Nova Beauty palette. It's called Narania right here. I'm going to add that right on top of this burgundy shade, y'all. It's so pretty. It's a deep orange, and I'm going to start putting this on top of this. And I'm packing it right on top, and make sure you dust off any like excess so that it won't like blend in. Look at that. Look at that orange. And I picked a tinier brush because I want to stay precise and stay on top of this color. So wow, do y'all see this orange and how this orange is hidden on top of that color? It is blending. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, just these two colors alone, y'all, is hitting. I'm gonna add yellow on top because I was thinking of this transition in my head, so I'm going to add that right on top of this. Make sure you're staying low with each color because you're going to go back in and everything's going to blend together. You're going to see every color. Perfect. This is the Nova Beauty palette. Took that orange shade. It's called Narania. Well, I'm kind of coming down with it, like up in here. I'm not going too far because, like I said, I'm going to add that yellow. I'm gonna do the other eye and do the same steps that I did, but I'm actually show y'all. But I just don't want to use so much memory. That's the thing. On top of that orange, I'm going to take another tiny brush and I'm going to go in with a yellow. Y'all, these transition colors be bomb. I wish I could do like more than one, but with this transition color, I want to add some pretty colors. So let's go. And remember, I like my brow bone highlight to show. If it's on top of the orange, it's okay. Make sure it's low because certain area I go up. I don't know, I like it like that. I just like for this part to be highlighted.
Honestly, I could say
so everything is blended, y'all, ready to be cut. So I'm gonna cut this crease. That blends crazy. First using some wipes and then some micellar water. Okay, so I want to put some color on it, but I also want to put shimmer as well, because that shimmer is really just all in the Nova Beauty palette. I'm gonna close the edges in, and then we're gonna get to adding colors to the lid. I just do this. I'm gonna put drip on the lid. Let's see how far I want it to go. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna add this like purple or pinkish color right here. I added peach, but then I did that off camera, but I did the shimmer in the inner corner. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm done with blending. I do want to add something on top of this, which is a pigment. I'm gonna add Gold Rush to this, y'all. And I think I'm gonna add it only in the corner. Yeah, so this look does not deserve liner. Like, I just want this look to stand because we're gonna do something colorful underneath the eyes. So I'm just gonna pop on my lashes that I popped on that other video, because they really gonna show the brown video. Y'all were like, girl, which one? I'll leave an iCard at the top. Let me go pop these lashes on, get them prepared, and I'm gonna come right back. Alright, y'all, so my eyes is done. Now it's time for the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Alright, y'all, so I just did my face. I'm like finished thing now. Now it's time to do the under eyes. So for the under eyes, I want something like colorful. I don't know. It's blowing me that this is big and this is, I don't know. But okay, I want something colorful under the eyes. So I'm thinking about adding black to the waterline though still, and then adding some colorful colors. When I say this is so pretty, this is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Narania. I'm gonna add that in the very front. Like this app right here literally do not want me to live, so I hope I can get some good pictures because it's literally, I'm crying and it's pissing me off. So anyways, I wiped most of that powder off. So let's move on to the lips. And I'm gonna take a couple pictures, okay, y'all. Bring this look out. I want to do a pink lip, so I'm gonna use a brown lip liner, of course. On my way from Nova Beauty. Okay, I don't know, I've been loving this lipstick. It's called BB Girl. Y'all know me. Y'all know how fast I be switching to my nude so quick. That's so pretty, y'all. This is on my way in BB Girl. I went ahead and just toned it down just a little bit because I didn't want it to be too pink. So I did new lip gloss, and then I want to top it off with Select. Okay, I feel like that's a much better. Yeah, and I chose these. This is like right next to me, so I'll get the concept. So I'm gonna do my highlight off camera. I'm not even gonna add too much highlight. I'm gonna add some spray real quick. And then some highlighter. I'm coming back. Okay, y'all, so this is it. I added a little bit of my nose. Unfortunately, it has to stop right here because my eyes is watering up. Like a teardrop is coming out right now. But I feel like the shadow is catching it. But this look turned out beautiful. I love Nova Beauty bronze palette, y'all. This the 8. But I want y'all to press that like button. Don't forget to go check out Nova Beauty. Down in the description bar below, they have some bomb items. I keep saying that, y'all. Y'all definitely gotta try them out, especially if you like lip gloss or you are a lippy girl. They have a ton loads of lipsticks and lip glosses, y'all. I'm telling you, Nova Beauty has it for you, period. But yeah, and a shadow is a must because these are for the girls that if you want to go and take this on a trip, you can. It's very neutral tone. They also have a smoky palette, which is like kind of a little bit deeper, but you can add color to these palettes and add the colors that's in here to your look. Like, telling you, and that orange that's in here, ooh, y'all saw how that blended.